Welcome to another episode of Sepio Academy. My name is Romy.
And my name is Odea.
If you're not up to date with our previous episodes, please be sure to check them out on our channel and like and subscribe for their upcoming episodes.
Today we'll be giving you a simple walkthrough of our risk inside the vulnerable peripherals section. Are you ready to get started?
Let's begin.
So we covered two sections, network and peripheral. And today we'll be talking about the vulnerable peripheral insights, which show you the red flag that can appear in your system. We have the ROG peripheral section, which indicates the devices that we know for sure are attacked. When seeing something appear on this section, go to the agent that is attached to and disconnect the device. This should be done very quickly because it's 100% an attack tool and will harm your system.
Will it be too late if the device has already been attached for a while?
Well, it depends on the type of the attack, but your number one priority is to disconnect this device as soon as possible. The next section is vulnerable peripherals. Here we show all the devices that are connected and can be harmless, but the way they were designed poses a risk if a bad actor takes advantage of them. We show you the vendor of the device, how many of those you have, which users they are connected to, and how vulnerable they are. The most important information that we give you is the risks of the device, as illustrated in the following example.
Okay, so we know the risks, but what is necessary to do in a situation in which a company has many vulnerable devices?
Our job is to help you identify and highlight which devices are vulnerable in order to prevent potential attack. One of our clients previously had all his employees use wireless keyboards, and now he has switched them all to wired keyboards.
That's good practice. It's very important for companies to be aware of potential attacks and stop them in time. Let's have a look at the odd composition section. What are we seeing here? What is odd composition? And why is this specific device odd?
Well, we want to highlight specific devices. They are odd in the sense that they combine several interfaces, together capable of causing some real damage. In this case, it's a Barco extension, which has an audio interface, as it is mainly an audio extension, and HID, also for obvious reasons, for volume up-down control, call accept, etc. But why the mass storage capability? It's most likely intended to store drivers for the device in offline installation. Nevertheless, a combination of HID and mass storage can provide an easy exfiltration path.
We're not saying you shouldn't use it. We just want you to be fully aware of the potential capabilities of this device, and it's up to the security team to decide how to mitigate this risk. A lot of people most likely do not have the time and attention to explore devices in such detail, so it's good to have the technology backup for that.
Yes, it's very important to know.
That's it for today. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and see you next time on Sepio Academy.